If you're considering Hostfully for your business, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before making a decision. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how Hostfully stacks up against its competitors and whether it's the right fit for you. Stick around for all 7 points. Some of these may just surprise you. First, Hostfully offers an all-in-one solution for vacation rental businesses, but it's not just about booking management. Unlike some competitors like Guesty or Lodgify, Hostfully stands out with its customizable guest experience features. The platform lets you create a unique experience for each guest, offering them personalized communication, property details, and even upsell opportunities. This is perfect for hosts who want to go above and beyond in making their guests feel special. Next, let's talk about integrations. One of the key strengths of Hostfully is its flexibility when it comes to connecting with other tools and services. It supports integrations with major platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, and VRBO, which allows you to sync your calendar and booking information across multiple channels. However, it's worth noting that while this integration is strong, some competitors may offer more specialized integrations with advanced CRM systems or dynamic pricing tools, which could be a consideration for larger businesses. The third thing you should know is about reporting. Hostfully offers some great reporting tools to track performance, but it's not as deep as some other options like Hostaway or Rentals United. If you're someone who needs super detailed analytics with advanced filters, you may find Hostfully's reports a bit basic. That being said, for most users, the reporting is more than enough to monitor your business and identify areas for improvement. Now, the fourth thing, pricing. Hostfully offers a subscription model that is fairly competitive, but it's important to note that some competitors, like Lodgify, operate on a commission-based pricing structure. While Hostfully's flat rate model provides predictability, the commission-based model could be a better fit for smaller businesses who don't want to commit to a large monthly fee upfront. So, make sure to weigh the options based on your business size and goals. Next, let's talk about the support and community. Hostfully provides solid customer support, including a dedicated support team and a robust knowledge base. But what really stands out is their community-driven approach. Hostfully has a strong user community where you can connect with other property managers, exchange tips, and learn best practices. This peer support is something that really adds value, especially for new users. The sixth thing you should know is about the scalability of Hostfully. Whether you're managing a few properties or several dozen, Hostfully can grow with you. But compared to some larger competitors, it may not have as many enterprise-level features, like sophisticated multi-property management or global currency support. If you're running a massive operation, you might want to explore more advanced platforms, but for most users, Hostfully will get the job done. Lastly, don't forget about the free trial. Hostfully offers a great way for you to explore its features with no commitment upfront. If you click the first link in the description, you can start a free trial to explore how it works for your business. This gives you a risk-free opportunity to see if it meets your needs before committing to anything. So, if you want to try out Hostfully and get access to some exclusive benefits, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial. Give it a shot and see for yourself if it's the right fit for your vacation rental business.